Mom, I feel all right, she's doing it. She won't let me $4.80. Okay. I'm always doing her coming here. So I said, Mom,
Hello, Wonder's home.
Yeah, that's fine, or it's either one. In fact, if there's not a, why don't you look at earnings, there might be a four. Okay. Yep.
Just so you know, we will be closing in 3 minutes.
He's mine.
Okay, gotcha.
Did you see the chest out there? It's like straight back. They're kind of close. I don't want to leave right now, but it's just a big black chest.
Down in this,
Yeah.
should I pull around there?
Yeah.
I gotta take a quick look.
Okay.
oh, thank you.
You know, it's hard to find a black.
It is.
And they've got about 10.
Gotta get close to the front.
Okay. That in a little bag.
Turn around and go home. No, I'm supposed to take cash and I'll get it.
What's that?
Get a fee if you don't take cash.
No,
Oh, you don't?
but we have to have a $5 minimum to use a credit card.
That's what I meant.
Yeah.
We're getting to the point. Just doesn't, what,
Yeah, we can round it up as a donation, but we can't.
Why don't you square it?
Square it up, okay?
Square it, don't round it up.
431.
Somebody like her, dress on the butt.
Can you print the receipt for me, please?
You know, I bought it a year, about 4 years ago, I bought it a really nice black ring. And when you get it out, the largest one is about like that. And we were getting her jewelry done. 8 months later, she noticed it. She says, where did this come from? I said, what's this? She says, this ring. I said, what ring? Beats a hell out of me. So, is this going to be 50%? Okay. Oh, okay.
Okay, my husband shaved his beard off, and it was 3 days before I knew him.
Really?
Oh, there he is.
And then he grew it back.
Then he grew it back.
I wonder.
Well, I'm gonna keep this.
$1 if it's not marked otherwise.
I don't need that when we start to get it done. I mean, after a while, in a couple of days, it's gonna start hitting me like crazy. And that's just pure formula. I hate to shave. Hey, Brad, we'll see you, buddy. Have a good one. Bye, thanks.
Oh, just a little bit. Books and audio.
Did somebody buy the parking chest?
I bought it.
Okay, cool. Just making sure I don't wanna put wrong way if you're still. No.
sitting right back there, so.
This is 50%.
Thanks so much.
Have a great day.
I was glad to get to be with us. It's gonna be a Christmas present, so my friends don't mind used Christmas presents as long as they're cute.
Yeah, a lot of people just do their shopping in here.
Well, and I know why.
Thank God, that's a shame, that's a surprise. First time ever. Okay.
Alright, that's our last customer, right?
Okay.
She's with you.
Thank you very much.
Should be it.
All right,
Done?
are we done?
We're done.
Should be.
All right.
Oh, there's a man in here. What does he want? Oh, I know what he wants. He wants his wife. Thank you
Okay.
for making the announcement.
We are done.
Oh, you're good.